Citroen Picasso. Citroen C4 Picasso is no heat. It's heat in here, but is less here, and there is absolutely no heat, just cold coming. And problem is this one unit is clogged. This is new one. This is old one. And it's gonna be clogged. We're gonna change it, and it's almost guaranteed that it will be heat again in system. So if your car is not heating enough, in instrument showing 90 degrees, so engine is heat normal, but inside sometimes is thermostat problem, but in this car thermostat is good. We're gonna change heating core.